morning, Jesus. Good morning, my King. A brand new morning. Your mercy makes me sing. The night is fading. The sunlight fills the sky. I lift my hands to heaven. Your love is always nigh.
When I open up my eyes, I see your light again. You carried me through darkness. You stayed beside me there. Every breath is a blessing. Every heartbeat says your name. I don't know what tomorrow brings, but you will stay the same.
So I leave my fears behind, and I give you all my day. Lead me with your gentle voice. Show me, Lord, the way. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, my King. Thank you for this new day and every breath you bring. Good morning, Jesus. Your love is shining bright. Walk with me through every moment. Be my hope and be my light. When the road is long before me and I cannot see the end, I will trust your loving heart, my Savior and my friend. When the world feels cold and lonely, you remind me I belong. Your grace becomes my shelter. Your presence makes me strong.
I don't need to fear the future. I don't need to walk alone. Every step I take today, you will lead me home.
Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, my King. Thank you for this new day and every breath you bring. Good morning, Jesus. Your love is shining bright. Walk with me through every moment. Be my hope and be my light. Let the morning sun remind me there is mercy once again. Every sunrise tells the story. Grace has overcome the pain. I will praise you in the morning. I will trust you through the night. With my heart completely open, I will follow your light. You are my hope. You are my peace. You are the love that never leaves. You are my strength. You are my song. With you beside me, I can carry on. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, my King. Thank you for this new day and every breath you bring. Good morning, Jesus. Your love is shining bright. Walk with me through every moment. Be my hope and be my light. Good morning, Jesus. I give you all my day. Every dream and every burden, I place them in your hands. Good morning, Jesus. My heart will sing your praise. Thank you for another sunrise. Thank you for another day. Good morning, Jesus. Good morning, my King. Your mercy is new. Your love is everything. Another sunrise, another chance to pray. I walk with you, Jesus, into this brand new day.